Today we'll be talking about how to fund your exchange. This workshop is intended to help you financially prepare for going abroad. If you prepare now, you can have a stress-free international experience. In this presentation, we'll be covering scholarships and awards, government student loans, UBC bursaries, and your tuition deadline. When it comes to student scholarships and awards, the best place to look for all of the up-to-date information for students participating in an international experience is the Go Global website. Just go to students.ubc.ca/global and then click on awards in the upper right-hand corner. The first thing to keep in mind is that you are only eligible to receive one exchange-related award. You can receive other UBC awards, but only one award for your international experience. We'll be sure to give you the award of the highest value that you do qualify for. Now I'll let you know about a few of the main awards. The Go Global Award is available to all students who have achieved at least 70% on 24 credits in the previous winter session with no failed or missing marks. This award is worth $1,000 per term. You don't need to apply for the award, as you will be considered automatically. The Scotiabank Award is offered to students who are going on exchange to Tec de Monterrey in Mexico and is valued at $3,000 per term. There's also no application that is associated with this particular award, but you must have achieved at least 70% on 24 credits in the previous winter. This is just another reminder that students can only receive one exchange-related award, whether it's through UBC, an external organization, or your partner university. For a list of all of the awards, check www.students.ubc.ca/global/awards. Now you're probably wondering how you'll be receiving your exchange award. Awards pay out in the term or the terms that you are on exchange. You must be registered in exchange and not on-campus classes to receive it. The award will be paid towards your tuition fees, and if your fees have been already paid, it will be issued to you as a check. Student loans are from the government and are based on financial need. You need to be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident to qualify. In addition, your exchange must be a minimum of 12 weeks in length, and you must be paying your fees directly to UBC. Therefore, most summer exchanges are not long enough for you to qualify for student loans. If you are a study abroad student and you are paying your fees directly to the partner university, you must apply for loans through that partner university and not through UBC. When you're determining how much funding you are eligible for, the government will first consider your educational costs, which includes tuition, fees, books, and supplies, a moderate standard of living for living expenses, which includes shelter, food, and transportation, as well as an amount for return transportation. However, they will not take into consideration any costs of living differences at your exchange country or the exchange rate. When you're completing your loan application, use UBC as your institution and not your partner university. However, you must use your partner university's dates. If you use UBC's regular city dates, we will not be able to confirm your loan. If there is a break longer than 2 weeks or 3 weeks during Christmas time that occurs during your study period, the government will not be funding you through this break. If this is the case, you must apply on 2 separate loan applications. As you will likely be out of the country when your loan arrives, you may need to take additional steps to have your loan negotiated. If your loans are from BC and Canada and you have signed a master students agreement, your loans will be automatically deposited into your bank account when they are dispersed. However, if you will be receiving a document that needs to be negotiated at the post office, you should set up a power of attorney. A power of attorney allows someone you trust to sign documents on your behalf. Power of attorney forms for student loans can be found at www.canlearn.ca. Be sure to download both the provincial and the federal forms. For Alberta students, you must call the Student Funding Contact Centre at 1-800-222-6485 for a power of attorney form. Remember to leave a copy of your SIN card, picture ID, and void check with the person you have authorized as your power of attorney, as they will need these when they take your loan to the post office. Loans from the government are interest-free while you're a full-time student. If you are approved for a student loan within 6 months of your last term, your loan will automatically be updated to interest-free status. However, if you have had loans in the past but will not be applying for student loans for your exchange, you must have interest-free forms completed to let the government know that you are still a full-time student. UBC bursaries are need-based financial assistance from UBC. To qualify, you must be receiving a maximum student loan and have unmet need as assessed by the government. The deadline to apply for a winter bursary is December 15th, and for a summer bursary is June 1st. You apply directly through the Student Service Center. Exchange students are required to pay tuition by the regular UBC tuition deadline, regardless of when your exchange begins. The one exception to this is for students receiving student loans. If you are receiving a student loan through exchange, your tuition can be deferred for 1 month from your actual start date. I hope that you have found this workshop has given you some important information regarding some of the financial options. Once again, it is best for you to plan early in terms of financial aspects of your exchange. I hope that you have an amazing time abroad and a wonderful exchange.